This episode of Kitchen Dads, I've got Kitchen Kid Michael with me, and we're gonna make some Halloween bats. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. Here's where we're gonna start. We're gonna take some, this is a Trader Joe's brand, but Oreos are just as good. And go ahead, Michael, what we're gonna do is you're gonna twist it. You can just pull the top off, right? And then, go ahead and do another one to get some wings. Now, you can scrape the stuff off of this or you can just eat it. Then you can make like a triple decker sandwich, you know, and make a quadruple one. But we're gonna put that to the side for now. And then we have to score these, right? So we have to cut these so they're in little shapes like this. You can break them, but it won't be even. So all you wanna do, and I'll put this in here, is you just take a sharp knife and gently put a couple lines in it, score it, and then you just break it, and it breaks perfectly. You see that? It breaks perfectly in the line. So Michael, you go ahead and do that. Yep, and you push that hard, all right? Pooh, perfect. All right, do one more. These will be our wings. You have to do so hard. You can just do it very gently. All right, clean up our board, our workspace. So now we're gonna take a Reese's cup and you're gonna put some peanut butter. I'm gonna do one, then you'll do one, okay?
Okay.
A good amount of peanut butter because we want the wings to stick. You do one. All right, we'll put that here back here because we're gonna need it. You get your wings. I like to do it with the design up instead of down because I think it just looks better. So you just take it and you kind of put them in there. Gently push them in there. Whoops. I said design up and I put design down. All right. And then you take some more peanut butter and you put it in the middle. It's a little messy. It's okay. It's supposed to be a little messy. I'm gonna have to hold your, there you go. And here's the best part. You take a couple eyes and you plop them in there together. I like to put them together. And you like it. Yeah, see, look over there. See, now I like Michael's because his wings are kind of angled. Mine are flat. If you want to angle them, it's really easy. So let's do a few more. Let's score these. Michael, you like Halloween?
Yeah.
What's the best part about Halloween?
Candy.
Candy.
Probably.
Of course, that's the best part. There. Two more eyes, another bat. We're gonna get a whole, I don't know, are bats come in flocks? Or I'm not sure what. It's a good question. You know what they come in? Groups? A bunch. I don't know, usually if there were a whole bunch of bats, I wouldn't stay around anyway. Peanut butter, eyeballs.
Okay.
And one more, let's do one more.
Okay.
Couple eyeballs.
Wait, a little more peanut butter first.
A little more peanut butter, I forgot. You gotta have something to stick the eyeballs to. And there you go. A whole bunch of cool looking bats. They're a lot of fun. And the nice part is, what do we do with these leftover ones? That's what we do. Anyway, it's a lot of fun. Go do it. Happy Halloween.